Hello, good day and welcome to my channel. The question here says find angle DCB in the diagram below. So this is DCB. DCB. So as usual, the middle letter here is the angle that we are looking for. Let's call this X. Let's call this X. Now, this 2y and X, they are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Don't forget DCBA or ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means they add up to 180. So 2y plus X will give you 180. Similarly, this X and this angle here, they are on a straight line. They are on a straight line. So X plus the angle here should give us 180. So if X plus 2y is giving us 180, that means X plus 2y too. That means this place has to be 2y, so that X plus 2y will also give us 180. Or simply, you can say that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. So this is the 2y and this is the X. So this part here is the exterior angle. This one is the exterior angle of this cyclic quadrilateral. It is equal to the opposite interior angle. So that means this place is y, as said before. Or if X plus 2y is 180, then you also agree with me that X plus 2y will also be 180, because this is sum of angle on the straight line that add up to 180. Now, looking at this triangle, this angle 4y is an exterior angle of this triangle. So this 4y is exterior angle of this triangle. So we can deduce from the theorem that says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Don't forget that theorem, that the exterior angle of a triangle now is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So if I use that now, you agree with me that that means this angle 4y here is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles, which is 2y plus 70. So from there, if I collect terms now, I can write 4y minus 2y. When this 2y comes to that, it becomes negative 2y, and that will be equal to 70. So 4y minus 2y is the same thing as 2y. So 2y is equal to 70 degrees. So that means this 2y here is 70 degrees. So I can say X now plus 2y, which is 70, is equal to 180. Don't forget that sum of angle on the straight line is equal to 180. So X plus 2y, but we already know 2y as 70. So X plus 2y, which is 70, is equal to 180, because sum of angle on the triangle add up to 180. So from there, if I make X the subject of the formula, let me write it again. That X, let me write it on this side. This X plus 2y here that we're looking at, they add up to 180. So I'll write it here as X plus 2y is equal to 180, because sum of angle on a straight line is equal to 180. But 2y is already 70. So I'm going to say X plus the 2y, which is 70 as obtained here, is equal to 180. So from there I can say X is equal to 180. When this 70 goes to that side, it becomes negative 70. So 180 minus 70 will give us 110 degrees. So that means X here is 110 degrees. So I can conclude by saying, therefore, angle DCB, as asked in the question, is equal to 110 degrees as the final answer. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more detailed videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.